If you're experiencing crashing issues while trying to install CS2, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. Check the processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card and download the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can often cause installation and performance issues. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources and prevent conflicts during the installation process. Step 4. Run installer as administrator. Right-click on the CS2 installer file and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation to crash. Step 5. Verify game files. If the game has already been partially installed, use the game launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This can fix any corrupted files that might be causing crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues during the installation of CS2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or customer service for further assistance.